Hello guys, welcome to my channel today. So today I'm going to be showing you this new crypto mining app on Telegram. You all know Aviv. Aviv just announced the launch of their first Telegram mini app called Mozo. And Mozo empowers everyone with AI through a shared knowledge base. This is the app. This is the app that Aviv announced today. So I'm going to show you how you are going to go about it. But before you continue watching this video, go to my video description, click on the link. It's going to bring you on this platform. When you get to this platform, all you just have to do is to click on play now. You click on play now, so you allow it to load. So we are going to get to this interface. So this is the interface you will see. So just like other crypto mining app on Telegram, you just have to tap and then you click on claim. You claim your coin. Then you come to tax and perform all these tasks so that you can be able to receive these bonuses. Then you can also share to your friends. When you share to your friends, you and your friend will receive 5,000 Mozo coin. So that is all about this coin. Remember that this coin is backed by Aviv. Aviv, you all know about Aviv. At the time of making this video, this is the price of Aviv on CoinMarketCap. So make sure you start tapping and start mining now before it will be too late. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel, and make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that whenever I post another new video, you'll be able to see it.